Give those to me. I mean, may I have them, please?
Take me to see the wizard, and I'll give them to you.
My pleasure.
Hey guys, I like your phones. Where's your phone? A follow for a follow, a like for a like. Follow me on Instagram at LoveProBaby113, on Twitter at LoveProBaby113, and Snapchat at LoveProBaby113. 3, it's 2 3s on Snap. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Hey, why is that your phone?
Sorry, I don't have anything to follow you on because I didn't get the new iPhone 14 for Christmas.
The wizard is gonna get her the iPhone 14, and he can get you 1,000 followers too. You need it. You're like a nobody right now. Let's go, hurry up.
Yeah, but it's Christmas dishes. You know, Mom uses every dish in the house. That's not fair. And you didn't take out the trash.
Yeah, because I'm the only one who ever takes it out.
Whatever. If you don't,
Hey, unfreeze them. Can't the wizard help them too?
Oh yeah, the more the merrier. The wizard can
You're looking for true love at the age of 12. Chill out and pick up a hobby, please, little fast mind. 10 family. Stop complaining and be responsible. I can hear y'all from a mile away. Chip in and help your mom. Little Crow may be 13.
113.
Little Crow may be 113. Look at the new friends you've actually made in real life and use your real name. And Dorothy, click your heels and go home. Get the iPhone 13 you have out of the trash. The iPhone 14 didn't even come out yet. Little ungrateful self.
Wait, where are my shoes?
Don't you catch nothing that might be